All right, let's fix a bug. And when you know it, it's fog of war. So this is an oversight from uh, when I first did this. So let me show you. The problem is when we're on the left side of the screen right here. Now in our screen buffer, remember these are contiguous bytes. Okay, it's not broken up into a two-dimensional array. This is a one-dimensional array. It starts from the upper top, goes over, and it's like just imagine every line connected together into one big line. That's how it is. So when we do our algorithm here, we're checking if it's greater than 0. Because remember, we're going to cast out left for our vision. It can never be 0 because the border's on 0. So it's, I don't know, we have to be at least right here before we would actually cast out left to see what's out there. Okay, so if we're here, what happens is it's still drawing to our buffer because we didn't clamp it down. There it is there. So let's go fix that. And it only happens on left. It's probably happening on up too, but I don't know if I can't remember if we're clearing out the buffer, the info part of the buffer. Because remember, that's the same buffer as the screen. We're just reserving the last, 400 bytes or so. I don't know what it was. 2 lines times screen width. So yeah, 240. So the last 240 bytes is going to be for that info status screen down there. So it may be overwritten. I'm not sure. But the same problem applies to up. It's just saying greater than 0. So it should be greater than 1. So let's go do it. So fog of war, blah, blah. Let's go ahead and do the up too. See, up's greater than 0. This should be greater than 1. So we should at least be at 2. And then right. Doesn't apply to right because we're already clamping it down to before the screen width. And then down is the same. Yeah. So here, greater than 1, greater than 1, blah, blah. Okay. So that means if our x is at 2, then we can cast out left to see the 1 position, which the player starts at 1, 1. So, yeah, I don't know what my point is with that. Okay, we got that done there. Let's see. Actually, let's see if that might be the quickest fix in the history of this whole game. Let's see. Let's go here. Wouldn't that be something like a 3-minute video? Oh, I'm on dir. Why am I on dir? Oh, I haven't even compiled yet. Oh, good thing we can just do build. Woohoo. Don't have to type that thing out again. All right, let's do this. All right, we are going down. Watch the whole thing break. Well, wouldn't you know, we probably don't even have a cavern where it applies. Okay. All right, let's redo that. Okay, I don't see anything. I think it's fixed. Only way to know is if there's stuff over here, because that's what you're pulling out. It's over in here. We can't ever see that. Where's the food at? Now, yeah, I think that one's done. I think it's fixed. I don't see anything happening there. There's our food. Okay, watch our hit points. 43. Here we go. Yay, 88 now. We got food because we were so hungry from adventuring. All right, I'm gonna call it fixed. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. Where am I at? Tab here. Let's do to our, whoa, mouse pad. All right, I think we fixed that one. Wonder if I should put an X on it and save the history of how many bugs there were, or just get rid of it. Does it really matter? I don't think it does. All right, that's all the bugs I know of right now. So, make fog of war radius stop at wall. Can't see past closest wall. Probably need to do that one too. But let's go ahead and check this other one in. Get status. Get add all. Let's see, fixed. Right side. Left FOW. All right, cool. All right, that's done. All right, I wonder if we should call that the video. That would be the shortest video ever. Okay, we're going to end it there. Like, share, subscribe, and I will be back in the next one. This is great. I'll probably get more views now because it's so short. All right, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you later.